Is Quicrypto really one of the fastest ways to earn cryptocurrency for free as it claims on its website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and many viewers have recently asked me about this app, so I decided to test it, and in this Quicrypto review I'll give you an inside look and show all the details so you can find out if you should download this app or not. So let's go over the basics of what Quicrypto is and how you can join. And it has a website, but it's actually an app. But you can go to the website and you can see it claims it's the fastest way to earn cryptocurrency online. And you can download it for both iOS or Android, or right now you actually can't. It says it's coming soon for iOS. Right now it's only available for Android devices. Maybe by the time you watch this video it's also available for iOS. I can't say, we'll have to wait and see, but you can join it from more or less all countries. Of course, it is a platform that pays in cryptocurrency, as you can see, so you need to live in a country where that is allowed. But anyways, let me now then log in and then we can look closer at how you can earn and some important details you need to consider. So I have now logged into the app and it looks a little bit weird now. I'll explain in just a second why that is. But when you first come in, there's like some tutorial steps, and I first had to watch like 3 video ads. It's just like the random spammy video ads that you have inside many get paid to apps, and then you just have to watch those, and then you will get some points, and you can see the points you earn up here. And then I also had to take a short survey, so it's not that you come in and just see all the earning opportunities right away. Like it has like surveys, paid offers and all that, but usually when you come inside you can just get access to that. There you had to go through those steps like this tutorial, and then after that I got to this screen. Then this popped up here, and this is very strange. I've never really seen something like this in a get paid to app before, because instead of just giving me access to all the earning opportunities so I can see what exactly it offers, then I now have to do phone verification or authentication. I don't have a problem with that with get paid to sites or apps in general, because I know that they have a lot of fraud, so they need to make some kind of verification before they can pay you. But I just find it very strange that they do it already now. I do not even know what is inside the app, like earning opportunities. I know because I've seen from someone I know, a few other people that have shown me inside, so I know. But I just find that very strange that they're asking for that now and not actually later, when I've seen, at least give me the opportunity to see the full earning opportunities and the payout options and all these things there. So that's just something that I found a little bit strange and unusual, and I didn't feel comfortable about that, to be honest. But I do know that it does pay, because as mentioned, I've talked to a few people, like trusted viewers here on my platform, that have been paid by it. Personally, I just do not feel comfortable about sharing my phone number with them before I've seen more, and when they stop me like this, that just makes me stop, to be honest, because I've seen some bad examples of what my phone number can be used for in the past. So I will not be sharing that, to be honest. But let's talk about the payout options also and how you can get your rewards out, in case you do feel comfortable about this and would like to earn from it. So you see, when you go to withdrawal, it says that you will have this option once you have completed the withdrawal mission, and that means that you have to keep going through these different tutorials, and then you will very quickly then also reach the payout threshold. But I still find it is a little bit strange way to do this. But anyways, you can luckily see also, if you go to the withdrawal rates, you can see what it currently pays in. So you can see that it does offer currently, at the time of recording this video anyways, Litecoin and Bitcoin, and the payout threshold is not too high there, but the value for your points you can kind of get an idea of. It's also not very high, I can tell you right away. Also be aware that it says that the rates are not fixed and can change without any prior notice, so what you see now here on my screen might not be the same if you decide to use this app. But let me just close down the app now. We'll take an inside look, and then we'll talk a little bit more about my overall recommendation when it comes to this app. So Quicrypto can be a way to earn cryptocurrencies for free, but it's just not one of the most user-friendly apps in my opinion. I have tested hundreds of different ways to earn money, both on websites and on apps, and also a lot of methods that pay in crypto. And I just think that the method they're using when you come into this tutorial, instead of just getting access to the earning opportunities, I understand they do it to try to encourage you to get started and get paid quickly, and it does pay quickly, that is definitely for sure. But I just personally do not really like it, and I do not really feel comfortable about it, and I do not find it very user friendly. but it can be a way to earn a bit of cryptocurrencies for free. Personally, I just decided to just skip it because I know so many other great platforms, for example, to earn Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin instead. I do have a list of all of those platforms that I prefer for that. I'll leave links to that below. You can find those on my website. So I prefer sticking to those because if I test a new app, it needs to really blow me away and show some good opportunities and be very user friendly. And from what I've seen and from my tested, my personal opinion is that there just are better options out there, and also some of the methods that definitely pay faster. So you can check out my recommended options below if you want to. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you figure out what you need to consider when it comes to Quicrypto. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.